Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP is gearing up for a major upswing. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? Well, guys, something has been abuzz in the technical analysis community over the past few days, calling for a major breakout in the price of XRP. Now, just take a look at this article right down here. XRP price gears up for likely massive upswing. What to expect? And guys, look at the date right there, April 25th, 2023. XRP price is in a downtrend despite accumulation by large wallet investors and the appearance of a bullish pattern on the altcoin's price chart. Experts have predicted a massive breakout in the asset's price, citing price rallies in 2017 and 2021. Now look at this part. XRP whales scooping up the altcoin and buying the dip. Large wallet investors in the XRP community continued accumulating the altcoin, increasing the token's holdings in their portfolio. Based on data from crypto intelligence tracker Santiment, whales holding between 1 million and 10 million, 100,000 to 1 million, and 10,000 to 100,000 continued accumulating XRP tokens. This is typically considered a bullish sign for XRP. Accumulation by whales implies that there is a reduction in XRP holdings across exchanges and a subsequent decline in selling pressures. XRP holders and large wallet investors are closely watching the price chart for signs of a breakout in the altcoin. Now, JD, a crypto analyst and expert, evaluated the XRP dominance and price chart. The expert notes that XRP Ledger's native token recently tested its dominance on the 5-year trend line. A clean break and retest of Fibonacci levels within the orange box in the chart below would validate the bullish thesis for XRP. So guys, let's just take a look at this chart right here. Here we're seeing all of these wicks. Now guys, look at the big blow up when it absolutely broke the trend lines. Bang, came back to support, jumped to $3.31, 17x in 28 days. And what they're talking about here, and this is what he's saying, a textbook retest on the 5.5-year trend line. And this breaking this line right above here, guys, is going to look extremely bullish. Now, past the orange zone and the 3% dominance lines will fuel JD's bullish thesis for XRP. The expert notes that every time the 21-week moving average crosses above the 50-week, there is a massive run-up in the price of XRP. The XRP US dollar price chart shown below shows the previous two instances where the 21-week moving average crossed over the 50-week, and the price and the XRP price rallied to new highs. On April 10th, 21-week moving average crossed over the 50-week one more time, and JD predicts a bullish breakout in the price of XRP. The target for XRP price is its 2021 highs of $1.50 and $2 as seen in the price chart below. And from where it sits now, guys, at 45 cents, you're looking at what, a 300%, 400% increase? Now just take a look at some of these and where he's pointing it out here. Here's the 21-week moving average crossing over the 50-week moving average back in here. And what happened? There was a massive blowout, and there was a 75,207.80% increase on XRP in 2017 to 2018. When did we see it again? Well, guys, we saw it again right there in 2020, just before the 2021 breakout, where the 21-week moving average crossed over the 50-week moving average, and there was a parabolic price move. And it happened right there. And what did we see? Well, we saw with the SEC lawsuit on it and being delisted from practically every exchange in America, save one, Uphold, 931.39% increase right there. Well, guys, it has just happened again. And where the 21-week moving average crossed over the 50-week moving average, and they are expecting a major bullish move coming out of this. And guys, if we get that legal clarity at the same time that this thing starts to blow off, I'm telling you what, I think we could see something like this all over again. We could see a rally like we saw in 2017, especially when you consider here in 2021, we were full into this lawsuit and having been delisted from all those exchanges. Imagine having the lawsuit resolved and getting relisted on a number of these exchanges. Pow! I think it would just absolutely take off. At least that's my opinion. Now, guys, I want to show you a little clip here from CoinsKid. A big shout out to CoinsKid. He's a TA guy that I like to follow, and he's had some pretty amazing calls in this space for XRP. Well, guys, I just want to play a little brief clip of his technical analysis that came out today on XRP. Just take a listen to this clip right here.
But we could be gearing up for an explosive move here for XRP, providing we see multiple closes right now above that weekly 20 EMA, which currently sits at roughly 0.4285, this sort of level here, which is a neckline. It's a very sort of rinse repeat scenario, isn't it, right now? Again, not hopium, not bullshit, technical analysis. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned.
Guys, what confluence coming out of CoinsKid. Now, guys, you should go over and give CoinsKid a subscribe. This is somebody that I like to follow for TA, and this guy has made some major calls on XRP that have been absolutely spot on. So go out there and give him a subscribe. Now, guys, something else that has been happening in this community that is causing a big stir, of course, has been the Coinbase lawsuit against the SEC. Just take a listen right here. The news of San Francisco-based exchange Coinbase suing the Securities and Exchange Commission has sparked widespread jubilation in the XRP community. For context, Coinbase filed a lawsuit against the SEC in the U.S. Circuit Court yesterday. The suit follows a petition for a rulemaking that the leading cryptocurrency exchange filed with the SEC last July, requesting that the regulator draft and approve regulatory guidance for the crypto industry. Coinbase intends to compel the Securities Regulatory Agency to respond yes or no to a set of questions via the lawsuit. Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal shared the development. Today, we filed a narrow action in the U.S. Circuit Court to compel the SEC to respond yes or no to a rulemaking petition we filed with them last July, asking them to provide regulatory guidance for the crypto industry. And guys, I'm telling you what, the one thing the SEC has not done for anybody is provide regulatory guidance in this space. I mean, there you had Gensler right before the House Financial Services Committee, and he could not even tell Congress what was the security in this space and what wasn't. So how on earth can they possibly be giving fair notice to any of these digital asset companies when they themselves don't even know how to define the security in this space? It's absolutely ridiculous, and I'm telling you what, I sure am going to be following this case with some interest. Now, just listen here. Consequently, the development has been applauded by members of the crypto community, especially XRP fans. Enthusiasts of the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap have taken to Twitter to celebrate the development, backing Coinbase's decision to mount pressure on the SEC via the lawsuit. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner of Hogan & Hogan, which is him and his missus, joined the other members of the XRP community to applaud the San Francisco-based exchange. In a tweet today, the pro-XRP lawyer, while reacting to Coinbase lawsuit against the SEC, said the best form of a defense is a good offense. According to Attorney Hogan, the move suggests that Coinbase was not ready to sit back and wait for an inevitable lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Apparently, Hogan was referring to the Wells notice the SEC sent to Coinbase last month. And why did they send it, guys? Because they're holding Coinbase accountable for selling what they consider unregistered securities. Well, hey, if you're not going to provide us legal guidance in this space, regulatory guidance in this space as to what is a security and what isn't, then how can you hold us accountable for selling what you deem to be unregistered securities when you're not even telling us what one is, right? Aside from Attorney Hogan, other members of the XRP community also applauded the San Francisco-based exchange for suing the SEC. Here's Digital Perspectives. You got Brad Kimes there. Well played. Excellent news. Bravo. Crypto Mama, XRP. Now, Crypto Bull asks XRP supporters not to celebrate. Meanwhile, some XRP fans think there is no need to celebrate Coinbase for filing a lawsuit against the Securities and Exchange Commission. In a tweet today, Crypto Bull, a pseudonymous XRP analyst, asked supporters of the sixth largest cryptocurrency not to celebrate Coinbase for suing the SEC. The popular influencer called on the San Francisco-based exchange a coward. He called on them a coward for delisting XRP and not supporting Ripple at the initial stage of its legal battle against the SEC. Well, guys, I get the sentiment. Hey, Coinbase really dumped on us when they delisted XRP, especially when you consider some other tokens on their platform the SEC has said are securities, and they didn't get delisted. But guys, I'll tell you what, in this space and in this case, I think we need to all be coming together because look, guys, we're fighting this major battle with the SEC and their regulation by enforcement. And I believe it's prudent for us, it's beneficial for us to actually go out there and all be on the same page with respect to that. Now, maybe later on we can take up this beef with Coinbase, but for right now, I think it's something that we should get behind because I'll tell you what, guys, this is going to be a major fight for all of us. Now, however, Attorney Hogan does not share Crypto Bull's sentiment, as he believes that many XRP supporters no longer consider Coinbase an enemy. Now listen to this here, guys, because I concur with this sentiment. The enemy of my enemy is not as much an enemy anymore. Guys, we have got to take this coordinated attack right to the SEC. And so from my perspective, I think we should be getting behind it. But needless to say, guys, when you see news like this coming out of Coinbase going after the SEC, then you're taking a look at all of this news coming out about a potential massive gearing up for a major upswing. I'm telling you guys, it has got me absolutely stoked. And I think what we're going to see here is we are going to see a legal decision coming down from Judge Annalisa Torres in this case between Ripple and the SEC. And I think you're going to find out that XRP, especially the secondary sales, are not going to be deemed securities. And guys, I'll tell you what, I think then we're going to have big time reason to celebrate. And it is going to be absolutely massive. And if both of these coincide at the same time, where we see a major breakout, then we get that legal clarity. I think we could see one of the biggest catalysts for a massive bull run in this space that'll make the 2017 bull run look like child's play when you're considering a utility-driven bull run, which many believe this next bull run is going to be. Guys, one thing I can tell you is when this thing absolutely takes off, which could happen at any time at all, one thing you're definitely going to want to have is your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals. And we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. Well, guys, it sure seems that a lot of technical analysis folks out there think something big is going to happen in this ecosystem, and it's going to happen soon. But I want to get your 2 cents on it, and so I'm inviting you to drop your comments right down there in the comment section, open it up to the community, and start a discussion. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget about hitting that notification bell down there, because as you know, things in this space can change lightning fast, and I like to get that information out to you as soon as possible. And on top of that, I don't want you missing out on any of our regularly released videos. Well, guys, I'll tell you, we have been making some big time progress on that subscriber goal. And if you're one of the thousands of people who have been watching these videos, but you haven't yet subscribed, would you do the channel a favor and join this community? We'd really love to have you on board. So, in the meantime and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.